Everything in the light get bright like heaven. 3 sevens. Yeah, and everything in the light get bright like heaven. 3 sevens. Yeah, and everything in the dark come to light. Get on my level. Think I'm finna stop going when I turn 27.
It's put in a smooth way. So I'm gonna go ahead and scale down this page. If there's anything specifically you want to key in on, just tell me to stop. I'll stop. Let people know what this stuff means, and I'll go forward to the tabs through the top, and we'll go forward like that.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Okay, so trading privileges, stocks, options, ETFs, cryptos. So if we could start from left to right, kind of explain what's going on here.
All right. So the first option we have here is stocks. Now, excuse me. Now, what a lot of people don't understand, and just the basic power of us of the stock market in itself. For one, the stock market was founded off of them pretty much placing bets on how many slaves they think would arrive on the slave ships. That's actually where the stock market was founded. So that's first and foremost. You have to understand that the stock market, what we are the stock market. So once you get that into your understanding, you understand, like I said, the power is already within you. You just don't know it.
Okay.
So owning a stock, that is a portion of a company. Now, depending on what kind of company you own, certain companies actually, if you have enough stock in their company, they actually send you shareholder invitations and letters asking you to make votes on the things that they got going on with their company policies, as well as they kick back dividends sometimes, which is a portion of their profit. And the real power in that is when you have a stock, when you own a stock of a company, you own that company. You are a shareholder of the ownership of that company.
Okay.
So if I own Apple, I own Apple. I have Apple phones, I have iPads. My whole family got all type of Apple devices. Now, instead of me just paying money on that device, now I'm actually a owner of the company, and all of the devices in my household are helping me get paid through my ownership of the company.
Okay. That's powerful.
Yeah, absolutely, man. That's what I say. Like, you just got to understand it once you unlock the information in a way that you can actually, take heed to it. Just deciphering the matrix, man. But yeah, like I said, just understanding, like you said, there's different sectors of the stock market. You have tech, you have health, financial. You have so many different sectors. I believe there's 13, if I'm not mistaken, in the US. So yeah.
So each one of these, I want to just ask you at least one question. So kind of, go into it a little bit. So with stocks itself, let's just say, there's a company that's really, really taking off. Like, let's just use Roblox, for example. All the kids play it. They're dumping, what the kids say when we at the store. Oh, can I get some Robux? And it's just going. It's a whole movement. It's a whole energy that make, it's almost like, it's hard to explain. It's almost like you could play any type of game, but a kid version of that game, Roblox, they have like Call of Duty,
Definitely.
Roblox. Yeah, and so the kids love it. They put hours and hours into it. There was actually artists that were having concerts on the Roblox platform. The kids was going crazy about it. Now, let's just say, for example, somebody got into a Roblox stock at $10. Is it possible for that stock to hit, $1,000 by the end of the year? Is that possible?
Well, I mean, it's definitely possible.
Okay.
The chances of it actually happening with that exact company and stock, I doubt it.
Okay.
But it's definitely possible. If you own stock in Tesla, they're pretty much one of the most volatile stocks on the stock market in its entirety. And volatility means just how fast it goes up and down.
Okay.
So, but yeah, it goes from, it was literally just like maybe 6 something a couple days ago, and right now it's like almost 800. I mean, almost 700, 800, something like that. But it can swing at the drop of a hat. It's more so the people and how they feel, and that's one thing about the stock market is the stock price only says how people are feeling about this company and how they're feeling at this time. The stock price doesn't actually reflect what the company has going on. So that's why it's always good. You can, anybody can make money off of a stock going up and down. But once you become a true investor, you start to understand what is the reason why it's going up or down. And which leads me to my next point.
Check, I'm living my life with no regrets. Ain't tryna impress. We finish it less. No feeling, no ceilings. Touching the sky, I fly over buildings. You searching with healing. The ground I'm tilling. I'm planting the seeds. I'm reaping the millions. Hard labor, yeah, I put in the work. They all